What's up? Day 3, waterfall number 1, Salt Creek Falls. Let's go, y'all. So right now I'm taking a detour trail that supposedly goes to the bottom of the falls. Let's see how that goes. And we're already at a split. And it doesn't say. I think it's that way, but we'll check this way just to see what's up. I'm at the overlook. I didn't hike far, I'm just joking. But look. There it is. I'm gonna try to go down there. Y'all wanna see the rainbow? You can kind of see a hint of it. There's the waterfall. All right, now let's go to the bottom. I wasn't gonna have any more views of it until I got to the bottom, but there's this. That was beautiful. All right, so now we're gonna head back up and then go to Watson Falls. It's a little bit of a drive from here, but that's all right. I love the road. All right, spot number 2, Watson Falls. We're gonna do this right here. Let's go. I like this one a lot. Oh, the moss, the way the water works through the rocks. Love it. All right, I got a lot closer and I'm getting really wet. Y'all better appreciate it. You better hit the like button, subscribe, and all that. I'm just kidding. All right, I'm back out of the woods on the road, almost back to the car. One more to go. Tokati. I think I'm saying that right. We'll see. I'm soaked. Worked it though. All right, so I'm about to go see the last waterfall of the day. I take out my seatbelt, I look over to grab my camera, and I see that. Bro, it's just hitching a ride. Bro, you gotta get out of here. You can't do that. A lot of insects over here. I like it though. All right, last waterfall of the day. I think it's Tokti Falls. I was saying it wrong. I was saying Tokati. Tokti. This one's a lot easier, so it's gonna be more crowded. But let's go. Getting closer. I can hear it. I think if I sit right there. Sounds like it. So the view is probably down that way. That climb is no joke. I thought about it and I almost didn't do it. But then this very young lady was like, you got it. And then she went and did it. And it was like, it's easy. And I was like, it's not easy when you're 280 pounds. But I did it. I'm tired. This is my last one for the day. I'm about to go check in at my campsite after I climb back up. You can't even see it from here. It's like, I don't know. The observation deck is like way up there. I gotta climb back up and then drive to my campsite, check in, set up my tent, all that good stuff. That's it for today. Tomorrow, my favorite trail. My favorite trail. All right, I'm trying to give y'all some perspective on how far I gotta climb up. I gotta go all the way up here. The platform is, let's see, finger, see right there? Right in front of my finger, that's where the platform is. I gotta go all the way up there. There's like 2 ropes you gotta climb, but you don't have to use them, but they're for assisting on the climb. It's sketchy. I mean, what I'm gonna do, stay down here? There's a shelter by the waterfall. Did y'all see that? Look. Somebody built the shelter. See it over there? Go back and look at the other clip. Rewind the video. You'll see the shelter. Anyway, come on. Let's go. Maybe this is a better view right here. The platform right there. Like I had to zoom to 10x for you to see it. That's how far away it is. The platform is 10x away. All right, let's go. See the ropes? Gotta climb up that, up to the platform. I made it back to the top. Oh, I made it back to the top. All right, let's go to camp. tent set up, bedding set up, camp is set up. But it's early, so I'm not going to sleep yet. I'm at Umpqua Last Resort. It's a hip campsite. Pretty nice. They got cabins and looks like yurts. I picked the bring your own tent site because I've been tenting it all week. Well, except for last night. Last night I got a hotel because I wasn't feeling well. I feel better now, so back to the tent. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill here for a while. Too early to lay down. I could go to sleep, but I don't want to wake up in the middle of the night like 2 a.m. So I'll just chill here for a little bit, listen to the birds, watch the birds. There's a robin right over there. Then once it gets closer to dark, I'll get ready to go to sleep. So yeah. Tomorrow I'll be at Silver Falls State Park doing my favorite trail of all time, the Trail of 10 Falls. So look forward to that. If you don't hear from me again tonight, y'all have a good night.